Hey guys, good evening. This is Dilip here and welcome back to my channel on Secure Academy. Guys, in today's video I am going to discuss the UGC NET exam. That you know that your UGC exam is going to held on 6 December to 22 December, and if you want to crack this exam in the first attempt, you don't worry about it. I, Dilip Chaudhary, I teach you how to crack your exam in the first attempt. Okay, but if you are new here, please share and subscribe my channel. Okay, if you are facing the problem to prepare your subject paper 1 or paper 2, you don't worry about it. I, Dilip Chaudhary, I am teaching absolutely free. I am delivering absolutely free class on YouTube. Go to the YouTube and search my channel, that is the name of Secure Academy, and subscribe my channel. Okay, and watch and enjoy my videos. If you are fearing to clear these exams, you don't worry. I uploaded 2 videos for the research aptitude, and third video I am going to upload in the next day. And in the continue, I'll take your class and complete your syllabus within 2 months. Okay, so you don't worry about it, guys. You are don't upset and continue with me and clear your exams. Okay. If you are getting any problem to prepare this paper, you tell me. You can send me a message, or you can comment in the comment sections. Okay, you know there is 10 unit in this paper. In the first paper there is 10 unit, and each unit have 5 questions, and 5 questions make 10 number in 1 unit. Okay, there is 10 unit, and make 10 is multiplied by 10, and because you know that 1 question is in the marks of 2. Okay, so there is 10 unit. First unit is the teaching aptitude, that you know. Second is research aptitude. Third is reading comprehension. Fourth is communication. Fifth is reasoning, and 6 is logical reasoning, and 7 is data interpretation, that is known as the DI, and 8 unit is information and communication technology, that is name of ICT, and part 9 unit 9 people and environment, and part 10 that is higher education system, governance, policy and administration. So there is makes or 10 units which contain 50 questions, and that is 100 marks. Okay, so I will complete all the units. You don't worry about it.